How to switch to YouTube Kids. So if you want to switch to YouTube Kids, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your YouTube application. After opening your YouTube, you need to go with your home section. Now go with search, which will be in the top, and search for Disney or any kids video or a kids channel. Once you've searched, now here you will have Disney related videos. So you just need simply go and select any one of these, a video. Once you've selected the video, now here on the bottom, it will show try YouTube Kids. Like in this video, as you can see that it says try YouTube Kids, an app made for kids. So you just need simply go with open app, which will be on the right side, and it will take it to your Google Play. And if you have not installed YouTube Kids, then it will take you to the install interface and you'll be able to install it. Or if you've already installed the YouTube Kids, it will directly switch your video to YouTube Kids. That's how you can switch to YouTube Kids, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.